Year of the year time, and this time it's birds, so let's get cracking! Hello, my explorers, and welcome back to Loren's Adventures Out There. And if you're new, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. My name is Loren, and I'm with Castles, Capes, and Clones, where we discuss everything in the Disney universe. We talk Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, The Muppets, 20th Century, Disney Plus, ABC, Hulu, National Geographic. If it's about Disney, we are talking about it. So if you like that kind of content, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Okay, so it is one of my favorite times. It is Year of the Ear times. This is a swap in which creators send ears to each other. The big thing about this is that they can't be Disney ears, like official ears. They have to be either handmade or bought from a small shop. Which is what I do. I go through my friend April over at Thrifty Nerdy Mom. She has a store called Anlu 2 on Etsy. She's a brilliant ear maker, and I trust her to make all my ears because I am talentless in this arena. But this was a swap that was created by my friends Mary and Tony over at the SiskedEars, and they are ably assisted by my lovely friend and soul sister Karen over at Disney Inside Andy. So each month we are given a theme, and you make ears to that theme. Now this is a no preference swap, which means that the creator can create whatever they want to, but you know, we have a chat group, and you can kind of put in there what you like and don't like, but you cannot expect it. This is really about the creativity of creators, so that's why I love this swap. Anyway, I got my box this month from my lovely friend Ashley over at Hey Let's Unbox. I've had Ashley as a swap partner many times, and she is such a great person. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this box up. All right. Oops, God, I stabbed the box. Okay, let's see. Here we go. All right. Let's see if that's a card. Oh, there's a couple things in here. Ooh, look at this. Okay. So, this is a little sticker of Hey, let's unbox. And this says, Loren, I was so excited to see I got your name. I sent my thoughts over to my friends, and they certainly delivered. These are hand-painted ears. Ooh, and I hope you love them. I'm sure I will. I tried to incorporate some of your favorites. Ashley, hey, let's unbox. Oh, Ashley, I can't wait to see these. Uh-oh, I see something. Oh my gosh. Not only is it Orville, but there's Wilbur as well. Can you see this? Hold on, let me try and turn this off so you can see this better. Look at that. Okay, not only that, but on this side we've got Archimedes and Big Mama. Oh my God, you got it. Oh, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love them. I love these. All my favorite birds. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ashley, so much. I forgot to tell you that there are a whole bunch of other channels that are involved in this. As I said, this is a swap, so obviously there are. Check them all out below. Definitely check out Ashley. I sent my ears over to Julie over at the Disney Jewel, so definitely check her out as well. And a big thank you to Mary and Tony for letting me be part of this. Thanks to Karen for helping so much with the logistics, because I know that it is a logistical nightmare to put this swap together every month. But they do it so seamlessly, and it's so awesome. I can't get over these ears, and the fact that it's both Wilbur and Orville on these ears. I love it. Thank you again, Ashley. And if you had a good time today, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. Visit us on all of our socials down below. Visit our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. Thanks so much, and we will see you later. Bye!